Okay, so this is part 2 of the value cake video. So as you can see in the slice here, we have a range of value from a dark red and pink to kind of a light yellow. So that's what you want to try and achieve, either with your pencil or with colored pencils. Okay, now it's time to do a little bit of shading in here along this edge that's been cut out. So I'm just putting my pencil on its side and I'm rubbing in horizontal motions and I'm doing some shading. Okay. And then I can blend it a bit with my finger. Okay. Like that. And then there's some shading on this side of the cake over here on the platter. So again, I'm just putting my pencil on its side and I'm shading along the bottom edge of the cake. There's a highlight there, so I'm going to put that back in. So sort of over here on this edge of the platter. Okay. And then you can blend with your finger and put that shading in. Right there on the platter. Okay. Now you can add some other details onto your cake like icing. You can have icing dribbling down like this. Okay. And then you can add some color to your icing if you want. Okay. Again, my cake is kind of like a red velvet cake, so I'm going to do red icing. And then you can add some little details on top, like maybe there's some like chocolate or little chocolate kisses or whipped cream that's kind of going around the top of the cake. Okay, you can use your imagination. I'm making mine like little raindrop shapes. You could put a candle in the top of it if you want to. Like that. And then I can color those in. You could add maybe some details here on the bottom of the cake. Like that. And then there will be some shading as well on this vertical support of the bottom of the platter. So I'm just going to shade in here on the left hand side. Okay, short horizontal strokes with my pencil, and then I can blend it with my finger. Okay. And then you have the cake and the platter. You have shading here where this piece has been cut out, and you have shading on this side of the platter as well. Okay, so you can add color and you can even shade with a colored pencil if you want as well. If you want to make your drawing fully colored, I could do my shading with this nice dark red. Okay. Like that, I can shade with this as well. But I'm still putting it on its belly and I'm pushing hard in order to create like a red shadow on the platter. All right, so that's what you're making today during art class. You will see us working on the masks by using newspaper and paper mache. But if you're at home and doing online learning, then I would like you to follow the steps that you see in these videos.